Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made something all by myself. Let me show you what it is. So in the kitchen I got kind of bored. So I decided to make a little treat. It starts with the letter P. Yes, you guessed it. Pudding. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate pudding. In order to make the pudding, you need 750 ml of milk and a whisk. Now put the pudding mix in the milk very slowly. Now cook for 3 minutes in the medium flame. Keep on stirring on the same direction and do not stop. Keep on stirring till the milk comes to the boil. Then reduce the heat and cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Now as you can see, the milk is thickening. But we still have to wait till the milk is fully boiled. Now as you can see, the pudding has thickened up. And after a minute, you can pour it into a serving bowl. Now you can decorate the pudding with some Smarties. But remember, this is fully optional. You can even add some chocolates. Once the pudding has become room temperature, you can put it in the fridge for 1 hour. After putting the pudding in the fridge for 1 hour, now it is ready to eat. So you can enjoy your fabulous pudding. So thanks for watching everyone. Bye. Stay home and be safe.